And so sad, the latest thing that is about to hit Ghana, we have to pray for Akuapem Poloo as well.
Okay.
Because me who gang someone repuno and she was dead in pool of blood.
Wow.
There are people more planning to rape her. The obewu, obewu, a group of people be. More than 12 guys. They will rape her. She was in the pool of blood. You see, there are so many demonic things hanging on the nation.
First of all, I just saw a video on Zion Felix page of a pastor who said God has revealed to him that this and this will happen to me. I would like to say a big thanks to him for letting me know this. God bless him so much for this, because I wouldn't have known. But what I want to say too is, the God I serve, the living God, who always save me from the evil ones, will save me. Because I'm not sure how Bible say, Senyami yichra no we twem. It no be believe say. So first Senyami yichra pastor na. Pastor netima be kan no. Che Senyami eyimiefu. Yakopon e ma mani mungu asida. Me da wase pastor. Me da wase pastor wa be kan we. Me so matna supem. Nyami shraw. So obe use encheni anyami yichra say. Say never to me. Say, in Kofubia, she says, oh, me kume, me beda, no me kume. Yamisha, pastor, Nancy Yanko Pon Crona or Yima, no, meaning say Yanko Pon Crony Massadino, and happy. Madame, I say. Fans, please remember me in prayers as well, as always. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Akuapem Poloo. I love you all. Kiss, kiss.